question you might be asking is, why is there a vlog today? And the answer is really simple. I'm kind of on a trip for the next 4 days, and I thought I will try to do a vlog every single day just to kind of get a sense of how that workflow might be. Something along that line?
Charlie,
What?
if only our master bedroom was big enough that you can do your work in,
Yeah. It'd be nice, right?
then we
This
can-
room is really nice, look.
Charlie,
But this is kind of more for me to figure out daily vlogging routines for at least the next 4 days. So if you're actually seeing this, yay, I have succeeded. Not only that, but I'm actually trying to figure out how to upload on this painfully slow internet connection. This hotel that we're at, there are 4 ding dong.
order food?
No, I didn't order food. Not yet, anyway. Sup?
Room service.
Are you freaking serious?
Try a bit before
You brought
decide.
food?
Yeah, try it before decide you want to go out eat or what.
It looks soggy.
It's 26 ringgit.
You are not going to eat supper.
But I'm hungry.
You are not going to eat supper.
One mouth?
No.
Sorry.
So like I was saying, where was I? Yeah, so I'm just trying out this workflow of daily vlogging, and apparently in this hotel, they have 4 landlines here, which is great, if not for the fact that on this laptop that I have, I don't have the LAN adapter. So Wi-Fi is going to have to do. If you're seeing this on Friday morning, it means I've succeeded. Actually, I kind of left it on overnight. Anyway. Anywho, I'm going to start editing now and maybe get some food.
No.
Why?
You're fat.
I'm not fat. I'm getting food.
No.
I'm hungry.
No.
Yeah, the other side like Did we are on our way to we are on our way up north with these 2 in tow. It's like half a day gone already though. Let's hope we can reach there on time. By the looks of it. Hot day. It's a good freezer it was in. Just now we dropped the ice cream with the wrapper on, but the chocolate didn't crack. Rest stop number 2. How long more?
About 1 hour to hotel. I'm very tired.
Yeah.
He's enjoying his burger.
Again. Look at this. Ramly. There's apparently a restaurant at the Seramban R&R. It's worth checking out. I think they just opened. Do you not just eat a burger?
Just eat. Rapun.
You know, usually we stay at our usual hotel, but it was Brian's great idea to stay in Dorset this time, which is not too bad. I mean, look at this. It's a very, very old building. Atrocious car park, can I add? Well, it's a very nice room, right? And check this out. They give you a phone. They give you this. They give you a phone that you can use locally here. Unlimited 3G data, unlimited SMSs, unlimited calls to local numbers. It's the first time I've heard of it, but it's quite cool. Look at this. Okay, it's dead. So I need to charge it first. Okay. This is by far the most important feature of the phone that I can find. You see, if you press hotel, and if we ever get lost, which we might, there's directions to hotel. Ooh. How big can a macaroon get? Look at that. Thumb for scale. I'm buying it for you.
No, yeah. 13 ringgit.
Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to pay. Look, the thing is bigger than your mouth. How is it?
Very sweet.
This place, he brought us here for dinner. This is Madam Kwan's. That's her daughter, I think. Food was like meh, 5. This is the first time that I'm actually seeing the Twin Towers this up close. What?
No,
No, you haven't even seen it before either.
no. But you were born in KL.
Yeah, but I kind of spent like a grand total of a year here before I went to Singapore.
Ha.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Alright, no problem.
No idea why are we looking at new cars. It's not like we can buy one. Why are we looking at new cars?
You are the one who came looking at it. I wanted to go see clothes.
right.
I can afford new clothes.
And now it's the wife's turn. What do you think?
I think this is nice. But what size is this? How much is it? Look.
Every retail shop should come with at least a couple of chairs. This is what we call the husband's corner.